And as you can see, we customized this little bad boy with a Tonka sticker, which seems very appropriate, for running this little mini. We're using a 12-inch sono tube, and these are laid out 10 by 10. The reason we're using 12 inches is because we're putting a 6 by 6 post on that, and that just gives us a little bit of wiggle room for the layout. If we had to use it smaller, then our footings have to be a whole heck of a lot more precise. Yeah, we're mixing this cement by hand. These footings themselves at about 42 inches. I think they take about 9 60-pound bags of Sackcrete. We're doing it by hand because there's just a few footings to do. If I had a whole bunch of them, I'd likely rent a mud mixer, which makes this job go quite a bit quicker. We use standard 60-pound Sackcrete in order to do that. 12-inch sono tubes. We put it down about 42, 44 inches here in Wisconsin to get down below the frost line. And then we added rebar to each of the footings. The one near the house and the outer one are level with each other. We're going to cut the pergola post down 1 inch that will attach to this outside footing, and that will give us about 1/8 of an inch per foot slope on the roof of the pergola, which will match the slope of the flagstone patio that we're going to build underneath.